Foshan Aootus Sunshade Curtain Company Limited is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. We are a manufacturer specializing in the production of curtain tracks, curtain rods, motorized curtain accessories, and ripple fold track accessories. Hospital track systems. Established in 2015, Aootus has been deeply involved in the curtain accessories industry. We have our own curtain accessories product brand, Aootus. We understand global market demand and have maintained long-term and pleasant cooperation relationships with many clients in the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Australia, and North America. With a professional R&D team, we invest significant resources in developing new products based on customer needs and market feedback each year. Currently, we have product patents and having 9 years of experience in molding new products for customers and achieving mass production. Aootus have passed the certification of ISO 9001 Quality Management System. We have 3 professional curtain accessories production line and storage warehouse to provide efficient order delivery, including aluminum curtain track workshop, laminating machines, automatic punchers, plastic injection machines, automated curtain tapes production line, and automatic packaging machines. Whether you are an international wholesaler who needs to produce spot goods or a brand manufacturer who needs to develop customized products, Aootus is confident in providing you with high-quality and cost-effective products, as well as professional and thoughtful services. We warmly welcome you to contact us online at any time or visit our factory.